In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Elementor Header and Footer Builder 2025 guide. We'll start right inside your WordPress dashboard. Assuming you already have Elementor active, go to Templates and open Theme Builder. This is the control center for your global site parts. From here, choose whether you want to create a header or a footer. Click Add Header or Add Footer to begin. Think about what you need: a clean navigation bar at the top, or a consistent set of links and contact info at the bottom. Choosing the right one now keeps everything organized later. Next, you'll create the actual template. Select header or footer, then decide whether to use a pre-made template or start from a blank canvas. Templates are great if you want a polished starting point. A blank layout gives you full creative control. When you're ready, click Create Template to open the Elementor editor. Now it's time to design. In the Elementor panel, drag in the widgets you need. Use the logo widget to pull in your site logo automatically. Add the nav menu widget to display your primary menu. If you don't see the correct items, double check your WordPress menu assignment. Include a search widget for quick site-wide searching, a button for call to action links like contact or shop, and social icons to point visitors to your profiles. Arrange these in sections and columns so everything aligns neatly. Customize colors, fonts, spacing, and layout to match your brand. For a balanced header, keep the logo and menu aligned and leave enough padding so it feels breathable. In the footer, consider grouping links, contact details, and social icons in clear columns. Before moving on, preview tablet and mobile in Elementor's responsive mode and tweak sizes and spacing so the design looks great on every screen. When your design is ready, click Publish. Elementor will ask where this header or footer should appear. Set your display conditions carefully, choose entire site if you want it everywhere, or set Include to all pages for broad coverage. If there are places you don't want it, like a landing page or a special layout, add an exclude condition for those specific pages. You can layer conditions to fine-tune exactly where your template shows. When the rules look right, click Save. That's it. Visit your site to confirm the header or footer appears as expected. If changes don't show immediately, clear your cache or refresh. You've now built a global, consistent design using Elementor